Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Igama lami ngiJozi, I'm a storyteller, ngikhuluma izitori zenzekile life, ufuna isitori nesigaca empilweni yakho senzekile, ngakhona ukusharela the next person. Ungangi-inbox ku TikTok mina ngizokuphina namba la ungarekhodela khona isitori sakho, kihlele tsebe wena utleta abantu then kitse tabe how kitlise kamo abantu bangapha ba offer advice hore ga botsebotse o dire jwa. Nambamba ngisho story time. Usisi yangibhala uJozi ikhona into enzekile ebuhlungu ku colleague yami. Usisi yo guys ngibonile ama compliments wena ne ngiyabonga hey mara filter young filterish young zama shem ngiyalebuha. Okay, back to the story. Okay, story sethu sikhuluma u friend ne uyongibhalele u friend, so to friend u Cindy, and then story then the person isikhuluma ngayo uThandi. So uCindy uthi awuJozi uThandi bekasebenza ngasemakhaya, so athola ukuthi uthole promotion ngapha usebenza wenza kanjani mara, but ngoba i-awareness guys ngizokhuluma umsebenzi bekawenza, so ngeke mention i-company nendawo but ngizokhuluma umsebenzi bekawenza ngoba like labantu laba bayabatarget abantu besifazana, especially these tall black handsome men from African countries ngaphandle kwa South Africa. Yiba bathaketha labafazi. So uThandi bekasebenza ku banking, yabona. So beka ku banking awuJozi ngingasebenza kule section le edilanga yini ama funds abela aphuma ngaphandle, yabona, things like that. Okay, sicaleke ngisikhulume kahle story kahle. Okay, uThandi beku shoes on a Tuesday. Uthi bathi beku Tuesday, so maga busy like bayanceda ngisho bayanceda then bayanceda, wabona. So la uThandi asebenzela khona bokubhuda umuntu omnyama then umlungu and then uThandi, yabona. So bekunabantu like phambili, so kunabantu bayabanceda bahamba ngeline, so mabafa ukuthi ubhudi ancede ubhudi lo okhona usebenza noThandi andulisa umuntu osemva kwakhe, yabona, and then lo mlungu abe open and then ubhudi andulise umuntu osemva kwakhe kuze lo nomonyeke, and then uThandi makaba free ubhudi kube uyaphakama. uThandi uthi yo friend abude ola umutelle, like yabona laba bavela kule country la most of them baba mo model bayamodelisha, nebabona labo bhuti laba bantu abamnyama abamascular, nebabona. So uvela kule country le African country, so bathafike vele bathi ubhuti bekanwa kamnandi or awuJozi awusuna nkamnandi abutina nkamnandi, sorry abutina nkamnandi, afitha angicompliment uthi njani, you look beautiful iyabaza ngisho bang. Okay, shapo akubele futhi ufuna incedo chuchu ukuthi ufuna imali le yangaphandle ayitransfer, yabona, ikhona ungena ku account yakhe kahle ufuna befuthi ufuna in cash ayifuna ukuthi ingene ku account. Okay, sharp, but vele ubhuti ukuthi kube nezinto ezishodayo, but ngoba uThandi like unalikwele buhlungu athi no what ufuna lo muntu lona akuthumele in ngikhona ukuprocessela, but vele into ufa ukuthi amncede ngayo ithatha isikhathi because of uThandi is trying to help oguy ukuthi akhona uthola le mali because uthi le mali le uyayidinga and uyidinga esin now thaba bamnceda uthi makamnceda, so vele busy vele baya communicate uyamhlekisa obanulungisa compliments and stuff like that. Hayi uThandi vele agcina samncedile ubhuti ayithola imali, uthi ubhuti akhiphe vele le mali lena kule mali like ayikhiphile akhiphe 600 rand athi yo please ngibonga usizo lwakho by yourself ilunch ngoba ilunch time seludlile manje uzazithengela kusasa ilunch, ngiyabonga bengicela nje ukuthi ungiphe number yakho, yabona. Or awuJozi brothers perfume handsome the way obuka katengi awon sister so singile and so achamekile sisters bathi ulama documents la wakhe abereka ngona or amwalele number kufathi athi nawo number yami. Hayi ugayi bathi makaphuma vele afika vele aphumela ngaphandle aWhatsApp ugele ukuthi no thank you for your help unobuntu nomusa and lovely, so thank you. Hayi but sisters masemsizini phone akayiphathi, makashayisa makavula ifoni uthola ama messages. Usisters bekasebenza emakhaya wathola ipromotion wamuvela bekasebenzela khona. Okay, lento leyenzeke phuma iyenzeka ngo-2023. Hayi mayenzeka kanjalo uri awushuzi yenze around August September yenzeke lapho mangahlangana nobhuti. Okay shapu ayi umakaqeda ukubona i-message ugela uyatype ukuthi no thank you yabona uthi uBrothers kube ukuthi so ya WhatsApp phela unjani i-communication icala kanjalo noBrothers na bengifisa ukuthi ngakubona face to face ngikubonge face to face over a lunch breakfast or whatsoever but kubona yabona hayi ugela mtshela ukuthi no mina ngibusy during the week the only time ngiba naso Saturday or Sunday la ngiba available. uBrothers are okay so how about uthi singahlangana Saturday or Sunday rekopane hey just for me to take you out for sizongisize lona because of bengazi if umuntu umuntu because ungijikisa izinto zami zodileka yabona awusichosi Thandi abe uthathekile avume ukuthi bahlangane ke Saturday. Hayi mabavuma bahlangane ve uthi uGuy like ubile bathu bale so very respectful for usisi bekamhlonipha akhuluma naye kahle am-address handle asammoze kamarato bambuza ubunjani emsebenzini how was your day dunyana tsedijwa wabona kuba umuntu ukuthi right bahlangane vele over ke i-lunch bafika lapha yana baya communicate bayakhuluma so na manje balira artsebaningi yabona bayakhuluma lamtshela ukuthi ayina ngini ngize ngapha ngihlala kuphi I'm trying business stuff izinto ezinjalo. This one yasho ukuthi hayi mina ngiyama single mom nabantwana abayi2 bahlala nomama emakhaya but ngiyathumela imali each and every month. Uthi makasakhuluma naye like that kungena phone call kamama ukuthi no Thandi phela ungakhuluma ukuthi ungakhohle ukuthi indaba le concert yabantwana thumela le mali ngikhona ukwenza lezi zinto ezincane zabantwana. Uthi okay bekuzinto ezincane vele bengasi ukuthi bafuna imali eningi. Uthi athi okay ngizokuthumela 800 rand ye. So uthi uGuy ulalela i-conversation ngathi nomama wakhe. uGuy athi no baby ngicela ukuthi ungakhohle ukuthumela umama wakhe imali because like ngizwe ngathi usound stress for indaba imali so asambe ufakela umama wakhe imali yabona uthi ayisisuke la besikhona khona awusuzi angikhaphe uthi angimtshela ukuthi no ngifaka eShoprite because bazoyikhipha khona kuseduze. Uthi okay uthi awuma ngifika lapha eShoprite mina ngiyofaka 800 rand uthi uGuy akhiphe 3,500 athi no uqwalisela umama be comfortable phela ngaphathi stress izinto zabantwana abakho phela kumele ukuthi umama azali wami ngimstress astress abantwana kulobona awushoze ngibe shocked uRay man biyang kulobona hayi bathi vele amnikeze hayi ngibafakele phela uthi mangifika phela hayi uthi salisane vele kahle uGuy ahambe nami ngihamba uthi awushoza ngifike ngitshela uma ukuthi hey phela le mali le seninomkhonyana omusha uyomnikeze le mali athi ngikuphi stress izinto zabantwana uthi awushoza like ngimone esimuthi umright because azanganjudge this person original bana abayi2 with different fathers azangijudge the only time beya concern ukuthi umama athola imali and umama angabe ne stress semali imali be enough yabona or also like kube into ngipick up kulobona no man this guy like yabona uyang consider as umuntu engaphilisana uthi high relationship iqale lapho awusithi kube ukuthi siyathandana sengibiza my wife kanjalo awusithi mina nomuntu siyahlangana rabonana each and every time angitshele athi kimi athi no let me invite you to my place like ubone makudula ngoteng yabona and ngikufakela nama-code the biometrics and stuff like that. Uthi so to Guy uDesmond uthi ngibheke uDesmond like Desmond ucela ukungibona ngimtshela ngabantwana mama bayi2 ngitsho ukuthi azange ngishade labantwana laba ama boyfriend azangijaje like give surprise uthi Desmond angibheke athi you know what Thandi as a man you know the one uzomshada so first time ngikubona la ngizongicida bengibona ukuthi you are the one I'm going to marry so I don't think ukuthi ikhona ngindawo ngisafuna ukuba kiyo so I wish ukuthi relationship yethu ngaqhubeka iye phambili and Thandi angithandi ukuthi umama khasale nabantwana bakho like angithandi ku age yakhe ngabo mama kho yazi-enjoyela nje then bana banelwena like mama akatse break ukhulisile lo mama lo so now isikhathi sakhe ukuthi naye relax ukhulisela abantwana if ever i relationship yethu baphambili next year labantwana labo mele ukuthi bazohlala la or awusijozi what's going on yabona hayi mara ngathi ngizibambele lana aserious balisoka yambuza ukuthi uyakuphuma suka la athanda that mina I told you I live alone so and ngiyasebenza during the week very hard so ngiya prefer ukuthi ngama weekends la ngichile nje ngihlala endlini uthi uDesmond athi what ngicela ukuthi uze kwami kusasa come visit me ngale ndaba le ngitshe ukuthi fanele ngikwenzela ama biometrics and stuff like that bengicela ukuthi uze kusasa uzongivakashela ngizokuthumela i-pinned location la ngihlala khona okay sharp or awushozi ngihambe ngendlini ke the following day angithinge location abuduna kwe estate hayi angithume location ukuthi ngidrive ngize khona no problem or awushozi ngibe ngiyadrive ke mangifika hayi ngifike vele ngitshela ukuthi ngaphandle ugayivele eze or awushozi akifika baya collecting ngisendlini uthi mangifika endlini awushozi the house is beautiful indlu inhleke estate upila or awushozi everything is in place uthi coffee table when a couch when a curtain when a rug ziyamesh izinto kunzi uthi manje ukuthi awunamfazi lana athi no babe remember I told you ukuthi mina ngihlala ngi1 so ngine helper is 2 times a week so that's why I thole kusikunzo and beside bangifundisile kithi ukuthi umuntu kumele ukuthi wena yourself like uphile emolingini or awusozi phela motho abona abantu laba vela ngaphansi nashoyela ukuthi bahlala emafletini bashara by8 or by9 kuhlala kuhlangahlangene kuba lumnunko owabona osangkeng hamonati yabona ugaya akaveli kule country laba khuluma English ama capital letters akaveli lapho yabona uthi okay sharp awuthi sihlalanyana uthathi no man I need to take you to the office bayokwenzela indaba yamini ukuthi ukhona ungena la at any time uthi awushozi vele risamaya uthi masifika lapha yana ema officeini guy athi no guys uthi vela babulise very friendly guy athi guys I told you ukuthi I'll bring my wife this is my wife ngicela ukuthi nimenzele ke indaba lezi zemino zanzanzi ukuthi akhona ungena la at any time what I was choosing uthandi smiling emuva ukuthi bambiza umwife kulobona uthi vele bamenzele kuba ukuthi ugelo so uyakhona ukungena without the assistant ka Desmond uthi okay mabaya endlini uDesmond afika athi babe no makhaya wakho lana ku save most of the time angikhi but in case if angikho when I want to come over you can come at any time to show ukuthi mina ngihlala ngi1 so you don't have to stress ukuthi uzothola umuntu la thanda zangaza believe or wabona mo uNkulunkulu yaragela nangenyawo shem nami this time hayi bafazi it's my time ke arrive lezi zinto lezi zenzeka manje so September hayi ukuthi bachile abakatochila la and then uthandi vele ahambe late abele kwakhe hayi no problem manje abantu phela seba ku relationship bako relationship ini kumnandi ya communicateiwa the plans jabo philo ikilobona so uthi the second week mangivakashile ugaya ngitshela athi no what baby I've been thinking about abantwana bethu arasaba bitsa bana baka I've been thinking abantwana bethu ukuthi abantwana manje ukuthi bakhuphe bazohlala ngapha next day so kumele ukuthi vele sesenza iplan ukuthi seba prepare ukuthi next day bazohlala ngapha yabona what I was choosing excitement ukuthi this man sabiza nabantwana abantwana bethu Klobon like motho umponela bophilo enayi man mundimo umfile wabona uthi okay sharp amalanga aya ugele yavakasha futhi mangavakasha yo baby I want to show you something kahle that's the reason kahle inento le izonceda wena nabantwana bakho wena iyonceda wena nabantwana bethu uthi sokhona uphila comfortable uthi ayirequire awushozi so walk around estates sifike la ukuthola ukuthi kune vacant land khona afike angikhombe athi baby le ndawo lena istand sam so ngizokhomba ukuthi I've got this place bengeke ngize ngikhona ukwakha ngisithengile ngaseka sinjalo because of bengifisa ukuthi le day ngathi ngiyakhalana ngakhe nginomuntu ozokwazi ukuthi yena a plan ngabe ukuthi umuntu usothola indlu fana nale ungena kiyo uthole semile into is in place kungakayenza ngawena so this one I feel like ngoba wena uzoba umuntu wami uzoba umsadi yakhe this place uzoba indawo yethu kuzoba iproject yami nawe wena uza mpa plan or ubatla enye and mina ngizabhadala ngakheke then next year sifunela ama form for abantwana ukuthi next year bakhona usuka ugogo actually piece abantwana azazohlala nathi cabanga sekuwe leso sikhathi kilobona kanti yajabule vele over the moon ke manje bona ukuthi hayi buphilo banamela bano step by step impilo khuphuka awusijozi uGuy abe right uGuy leso sikhathi uhamba ka Mercedes latest Mercedes uhamba kusangena Z Fold or in le Samsung le Samsung le folder so niyibona ngisho kusangena yona okay sharp no problem uGuy hayi uthi uDesmond now and then ngipho like boma 2000 boma 3000 rumela mama chelete abantwana bethu babe right izinto ezinjalo so uthi awushozi hayi after vele angitshele vele mina uthi awushozi uthandi nawo uyalala kwakhe endlini ulala ka Desmond udira so the up and down one time uthandi alele ka Desmond was like no mat ishikolo ya how ay angithandi ukuthi umfazi wami ahambe ngemoto so ngizoyithatha ngise car wash wena you can take my car uthi Kiremac and latest one lezi ziphezulu ezinkulu uDesmond hamba ngale moto lo ugele it's no and then so hamba ngale moto maka emsebenzini sekuba into umthejwayele ukuthi hayi ngihamba ngale moto le hayi uGuy uthi ifone yakho mara Thandi I know I don't like your phone yabona le phone le yakhe le Z Fold le seseyintsha uthatha akhipha sim card athi no uthatha ifone yami ngizo pre-order yona cause ngapha basisazi pre-order then ngithenge ethi yakho mayifika ke nishintsha awushozi hawu khanda mangala ukuthi hayi man this guy nini ungiphi imali uphuma mama imali ufuna ukuthi abantwana bami baphile kahle so ufuna ukungilobola manje sesidesign sesangikhombisa stand kamo ke driver ko la highland massive ngapha sengiphatha nefone like are awushozi uphilo woqhaka sisi akasaphathi iskaftini emsebenzini uthenga whatever afuna uthenga gross akasabheki price anything ayifuna uyayithenga because of Desmond wasupporta alright awushozi no problem uthi hayi angitshela ukuthi no man sengithole labantu laba like a planner ozokhona ukusiplanela lendlu le so ngicela ukuthi uze ngapha masizohlangana naye ikuyobona uthi hayi vele niye ngale mangalena hayi ifike vele lo mlungu lo vele afike hayi asikhombise vele ama plans so already lawa awadrawile athi kimi athi if awuthandi lena we can start up iplan esha phansi ifuna wo uthi awusuze ngibe ngicheck plan ngiyacheck ama plan wena ngiyacheck ngithi no mina ngithanda le uthi umlungu abuze Desmond ukuthi ufuna ini Desmond athi yo mina you know what I'm not going to get involved umuntu ozoba involved nangu mfazi wami so each and everything layout foundation emaboda design everything ngicela ukuthi ni confirm nomfazi wami mina ngizobhadala kuphela umfazi wami kubuzoba uyo approve everything or awusijozi hayi sikhulume hayi ngithandele ngikhethe ukuthi mina baby angisashintshi this one is the one I like vele Desmond at everything mfazi wami ayifuna uzoyithola bakhulume nabe lungu lawa hayi asifinalize izinto zakhe awusijozi le moto ola atho plan ngintwarena sharp I at okay now this next step ukuthi sithole i-developer ke I contacted a few developers basendaweni athi no I know someone ungayenza lana bona uthi am contact bakhulume communicate I'm next to the man bakhuluma then developer it you know what mina la ngikhona khona i-project ethi sayiceda this week so yakho i-projects ngiyaqala next week I asho ukuthi yakho project singayicala next week lobona uthi okay hayi mina vele finalize everything or umuntu every time lelo I want my kids to be here ngifuna ukuthi abantwana bami bazohlala nathi bazomuvela la so ngifuna ukuthi niphushe kule 3 months lena indlu yakhe ukuthi because abantwana bazocala isikole February so ngifuna ukuthi mabafika lana sihlale comfortable uthi hayi vele ba communicate uthi everything I finalize awusijozi kelitenge ke bona oba hayi no problem okay uthi aqeda ukukhuluma vele safaneleze everything avule laptop angikhombise vele uri awushozi akene ko bank like u banker international unama business uyenza nobhuti wakhe so abheke athi yabona mangakhipha le mali uthi ngibonile imali khona or ke bona le 00 ziningi ngibonile remember usisi usebenza ebanking and ubereka ko positioning elenkodimo hasi positioning elenkofathi so uthi hayi ngibonile umuntu athi yabona mangakhipha $la la ayifika ngapha South Africa yoba 10 million. I think 10 million baby we can build a house enhle si finish sense everything. Ama developers bangaqeda everything. So baby mama ngifake I notice in contract le mali mayisuka ngale ithatha about 15 days. 15 working days ukuthi ngafika ngapha South Africa. So ngenze everything. But okay, ayenze acede. How naketsa usisi uyahamba uyimsebenzini. Makazobuya the next time makabuya, hayi sisakhuluma phela ukuthi no man ama developers yazi baqeda ukungifonela manje bangitshela ukuthi next week kumele ukuthi baqala. So mina mangibatshela ngale 15 days labantu laba bathi no bona if ever, and they cannot wait for 15 days because already sebabiba nomuntu ofuna ukuthi bahambe bayosebenza naye. So bathi no sebathole project, meaning ukuthi bathole project lana kimi. So now bona bangizobalungisa 15 days angeke balose opportunity bakuthi bayasebenza somewhere else. So bona ngcono bahambe ke ngizathi mina sengiright bona babaqede project abayenza bayobathatha 2 months. So bazathi January baqale nge project. Yabona uthi ngangitshela uthi yazi baby I understand but futhi hayi man like I can't grow on like this thing man ngihlalele kahle ngifuna ukuthi our kids man baze ngaphuma matholi break and abantwana bakho impilo yakho mashentshe ayishentshe inabantwana bakho ungashentshe ukuthi uphila this life right abantwana bangekho. Remember this house isihlale ke futhi rentise ifake income and then leyana sokhona uhlala phana as a family. Uthi awusoza thatha ifone at let me call my brother cause mina nayisasebenza at least ke mangathola at least ngithola roughly boma 4 to 3 million baqale le project and then after le 15 days imali khona ukuthi ingene account everything then idlule. Sharp afonela ubrother uthi bakhulume ngelanguage yasekibo bakhuluma uthi bengizwa athi no man my kids my wife in ya stress ama developers uthi bengizwa just lokho nalokho kilobona akhulume nobrother wakho brother kathi okay because nami already intentionally imali ngeke ifike same time ngapho ngoba ndaba ukuthi you need to wait for a certain days ukuthi imali ingakhona ukufika ngapha eSouth Africa. Uthi okay let me call my other friend afonile friend with no man ngihlanganisa just 3 million into engifunayo ukuthi ngikhulunyeze ngaba developers cause la so wakha khona kini estates ungeke yachelete wabona uthi hayi azama like ivele izinto zakazamayo bamtshele ngama waiting period and stuff like that. Uthi ngibona ukuthi ugayi manje uba frustrated siyam frustrated no baby man yazi labantu laba yazi ngeke ngimisele opportunity abantwana bakho man babe abantwana bethu man abantwana bethu kumele ukuthi beze ngapha yabona ngithi hayi no baby relax maybe like something will come up. Uthi hayi mina ngimsebenzini or after zakile America ngivele ngizwe ukuthi umuntu lo vele so stressed out anena ukuthi ma developers ayamfonela bona vele bayahamba abangeke bakhona ifunga namali yabona ukuthi umuntu o stress mangishayisa awusoze umuntu lo uhlala agqike right ungikhama nathi ulapha reformal nola ngimthole ugqoka amanqapha ngeshoti ngeskipe esishwabene ikhana hlangene uthi umuntu vele ubusy vele ufunana nemali yabona ubusy ubathathele door ndilo lithome because imali yadingeka ukuthi at least project ke ibe up and running imali mayifika one everything yes iba so tete ukuthi angaluzi la developers ama developer right asebenza kule estate or awusozi umuntu vele ngibona ukuthi this thing iyam stress uthi hawu la kuma estates la sila khona like kunalesikolo like isikolo sase right kulabona uthi hayi mangishayisa ngithola vele ubeke ama application form wasesikolweni kumbhedongoshi na sengizole nama application form baby ukuthi labantwana bakhona apply singashaya isikhathi kulabona applyela labantwana ispace then mina ngizophusha le ndaba yami ukuthi sikhona ukwakha yabona uthi hayi ngibona ukuthi bala umuntu uyabonyala wansupport mama ka uhappy phela sengitshela umama ngindaba ukuthi abantwana bayamove ngapha baza ngapha abantwana bajabulile everyone is excited so akuthi sho uthakathaka nona no kulobona iplan already nami senginayo ingqondweni uthi phela nasemsebenzini sebengibona phela manje ke ngiyana almost sexy watsama ka koloi eserious wathora ifone till serious ke uthi some of the colleagues baqala vele baba nomona life it's life thing man manje inkinga nayo uthi mina ngikhulume nogayi ukuthi you know what I can say ukuthi stress how about ukuthi mina ngihambe ngiye ebank ngiyofuna at least imali ngibona ukuthi ngaqualify for malini ngithole imali ukuthi kube i-startup ke iqaleke lento lena and then zothi imali le mayingena then sithathe sibusele emuva ke ebank sisetlelele loan ugayi vele athi no ngithatha kanjani mina ngifuna inceda abafazi yo I cannot allow you to do that in vele umuntu ahani uthi ngibona umuntu lokuthi vele akafuni othi ngisavele ukumconvince ngithi no babe man it's fine because wenzela mina nomndeni wami nabantwana bami so I wish ukuthi nami ngingakhona kube uncane ungakhona othi ke mconvince uguy ngimconvince ukuthi hayi man ngizoyenza this thing like angisho wena like ayifuni so uzobe ukuthi mina ngilona wena then wena you're going to pay it back as it is uthi vele ithatha isikhathi ukuthi aconvince uguy agcina avumile athi mara baby le mali le ngizobusela each and every cent oyithathe bank because angifuni ukuthi kusasa ube ukuthi mina ngisupporta umfazi akumele ukuthi ibe le ndlela le ndaba le kumele ukuthi kube yimi engiprovidayo not wena ukuthi provide mina hayi uthi vele ngimsebenzini ashosi akalala Robert ke na normal na baby una stress ngibona ukuthi akafuni vele akafuni kahle hayi fika emsebenzini mangifika vele ngifike check ukuthi ngiqualify la for malini yabona qualify la for mini ngicheck uri ashosi hayi ngiqualify le for imali serious cause credit score yaka top notch right akena dikoloto imoto engamana imoto encane nje ekena lengi sikoloto sesinyane so i-credit score yami i-right ngayithola imali ngiphushe ke kucolleague yami ukuthi can you please push it ngikhonithola imali eningi at least ngathola bo 4 wabona million ashuzi umuntu aqualify i-3.5 million ngiyangizwa 3.5 million qualifyele ibank approve hayi ugeni makasemsenzini afone babe ngine surprise for wena mangifika I've got a surprise for you baby yini lokho no uzobona mangifika yabona ashosi ngihambe vele hayi ubaby vele ahambe aye kubaby wakhe ke makafike endlini amtshela ukuthi no baby imali ngiqualifyile for imali is 3.5 million but izongena the following day no problem guys ishibaby uncedile futhi nalo muntu lokudala vele angirithitha ngama call let me call him ngimtshela ukuthi izinto sharp hayi usisi imali ngene ke bank ayingena afike ke akhombisa Desmond na imali uDesmond first thing ayenza ithatha ifone akhipha ifone afonele lama developers ama planner lawo yabona athi you know what stop whatever beniyenza ngicela ukuthi everything imali khona ngizonthumela imali please labe nithi nakhona ningasayi imali khona imali sefikile so tomorrow sizokhona ukuthumela imali and everything uthi hayi anikeze uthandi in the name of the company nama banking details ukuthi no faka imali izoyitransfera ngapha athi no kusasa imali zaliclearly please kusasa ngicela ukuthi nizeni senze everything uthi okay basho ke labantu labathi no what ngoba sesiya proceed nga everything besicela yabona lezi insimbi lezi abazenzayo like abahadi di double story athi besicela ukuthi nihambeni ku factory ko gayigayi the factory sebenzana na ithings izinto ze quality not izinto ezi cheap as for cheap material nini lapho nokhetha izinto ezi right because ama client wethu sometimes izinto sizibathenga zona like ba complain or adi right so sifuna ukuthi nina you and your wife Mr Desmond nihambe nokhetha lezi zinto lezo and in masele nizikhethile then we can proceed nga everything ke uthi awushozi le date le ekhethiwe emsebenzini bekune seminar and of which I cannot ukuthi ngihlale nga attend so I have to be there and I seminar is 3 days so date ebayikhethile ki date etsontorke ko seminar ki first day seminar yasemsebenzini so ngithi no what George and the company le outside the province la sala khona so ngithi you know what Desmond ungayenza ungahamba ke and then I cannot miss lendaba lesemsebenzini hamba wena you can take pictures iphone ka Desmond la iphathayo le because uthethe yakhe libe kayiphatha salindele yami so ayina camera quality sharp so athi you know what baby emangithathe le phone le yakho isebenzayo cause right ngitlo video caller ngikhombe everything each and everything sizoyikhetha ngifuna ukuthi kube uwe mina nawe ubani siyazona kungabe ukuthi i decision yami alone ay sharp okay until the day azohamba ngala zangilale lapha yana endlini so ugel ulele ngale or kanjani ugel lala lapha yana kwenzeke kanjani naye understand okay sharp ugel alale lapha yana uDesmond avuke ekseni uthande ayimsebenzini athenza makasendleleni emsebenzini amfonela Desmond baby sengiyaphuma endlini ngizokufonela immediately mangifika lapha yana ngizokufonela but ngizolala that side and then ngibuye the following day because of distance I'll drive and stuff like that okay sharp hayi vele emsebenzini uthanda sebenze uyamfonela I'm still on the way uyam update nga everything okay sharp how uyashayisa emsebenzini uthandi ukhathele naye from iseminar feel yageza uyalala but uDesmond akangayenzanga akangamfonelanga uthamsendele iWhatsApp ukuthi no ay okay ufikile na yabona uthandi alale the following day makavuka uthandi iWhatsApp yenziwa ntiki uyamfonela ifoni ayingeni okay no problem but una this worry ukuthi man lo muntu lona ngaba sangifonile la ngitshela ukuthi no ngifikile yabona things like that uthi emsebenzini like ahlale abe uncomfortable ukuthi hayi man uDesmond it's unlike him ukuthi angayenza angathula angakhulumi nami okay ma ashayisa la mthandi athi you know what let me go and check maybe ubuyile or maybe kube nenkinga yefoni or stuff like that yabona usafike makafika egateini afike athi munwana uHan ibiometrics ithi declined denied ingavuli how kanjani entry denied kanjani uthi uthandi makathi ku security ubona le security leyamenzela everything lelolanga kano Desmond abizi hayi man abude kanti wayengakhona ungena umuntu wami wayengangeni how sisi ufazi waka Desmond yebo kanti bengingathuthi izolo how besingathuthi inzolo kanjani no phela itruck izilithathi even izilithathe imthwalo ulo uhambile uthi ushela ukuthi nina niyathutha how kanjani ngibe puzzled kanjani hayi befuthi sekune abantu abahlala lapha but let me call the person owner le ndawo azokuchazela because bekathi kunezinto ezisele emuva hayi bafonele ke umlungu sothi umlungu yakho bafonele uyakho ke yakho as a gate afika ma'am how are you I fine and how are you kunezinto ezishile man like mezolo man thutha how seshile kanjani no like yesterday ngisho husband left uthi zenena niyamova kwenye indawo phela husband yakho futhi ahambe last week abese ya futhi ahambe last month so abese ya postpone ke last week ukuthi move out wa postpone wathi no ngilinde nyana so kanibele manje finally move out kanjani athi uyakwathi no phela le ndawo eyami so mina ngiyayicashisa so umuntu wakhuzelela azoqasha and so uthi uqasha for a long bakhona kune laba abaqasha for isikhathi esincane and kune long term so yena beka part of long term kumele ukuthi move out kahle last month a change ingqondo and stuff like that so now senginomuntu ongenile and so ushiya izinto man eboxini so ngisifake eboxini kahle safely ukuthi man buya nizozidinga nizithole wow Thandi shocked kanjani moved out the property yakusaka Desmond beka isicashi how hi mlungu athi kukhuphuka sambe khuphuka uthandi makafika ebox uthola ibox igown my personal items kaThandi kuphela the gown the slippers the makeup things like that I wouldn't even one thing yaka Desmond esele mnikeza ibox uyakho athi ya sisi angazi ke uthi ngizosoda out njani nomini wakho but umini wakho akasahlala off that's why na ungasakhoni ukuloka inungene ngapha hayi wabe sewugeleke ungene emotweni uyahamba makafonela inamba isangeni makafonela inamba kasangeni ukuyacabanga ngathi no man le plan le yabangiphayo lama architect lawayana kune number let me call the number and find out ukwenza athi hayi man ngifonele le number le ngizothola ama-answers ukuthi kahle what's going on ngifone vele ngibabuze hayi wena umfazi kaDesmond but since isimele ndoda yakho ukuthi a-process i-payment sisamile namanje kanti what's going on hayi mina angisimfazi wakhe no sisi yasimele i-payment what's going on how so laba ama-developers laba bekakhuluma nabo kakhulu Desmond usisibanga na contact number yabo azangaba bone facial so the only person ambone face to face ilo mlungu loyana wabona so wabona ukuthi no man la ikhona into off usisahamba endlini makafika endlini fonela inamba yengini lezi zinto lezenzeke in 3 months nangizwa September October November simanje seku December mali ihambile 3.5 million azame ayimsebenzini bakuthi ba trace le account ivalue account asiyangapha le company ivalue abakhona tracer ay trace imali uthiphi kuba i dead end sisi hamba emaphoyiseni batshela ukuthi ngiskemiwe ngazama ukukhuluma nasemsebenzini ukuthi no le mali lena ngiskemiwe emsebenzini bathi sisi imali thethe unfortunately thethe kwena rena ka reduce singa reducela yona nge 35% but imali kumele ukuthi uyibhadale. Awusijuze uthi umngane wami ke kwaba ukuthi la reality click akhona ini uDecember akasana mali akhona ubhadala lahlala khona iapartment akhona urumela mama ha child akhona urumela bala chelete embarrassment ko mmerekungu ko habe mama ke nayi phela excitement abantwana mama ba excited abantwana beba excited izinto zahlangana istora sahlangani mali gone Desmond gone hambe nefone hambe na everything yakhe sisusele anjalo ngesikoloto sisakasa khona afford anything. Unfortunately I was choosing uthando wabe sophatha depression ke bayam admit akasakhona phela manje bayam admit go hospital asa khona afford uphilo wazi ukuthi imali uyithethe asangenza ama terms amaningi because acabanga ukuthi no le mali lena kuyafana yovela ingene iphume kungene le izo replace le mali le chelete ikodimo interest ikodimo banka enyaka chelete yona girl obereka ku banking so ana mmereko mo ana site hase ana sale 3.5 million rand gone azanga shele even 1,000 rand kule mali ayithethe iye kule company le bangakhona ukuyitrace. Awusijuzi usisi akule bam admit ke hospital sengqondo uthi awusijuzi later find a way out ukuthi Desmond kahle utargeta abafazi abasebenza ama position aphezulu especially within a banking industry as ukuthi bazotholwa khona ukuthi bathole amaloni aphezulu athi kuba ngathi ukhona umuntu asebenzisana nabo within the company abakhona ukuthi bamkhomba ukuthi no lo uJozi usebenza wenza so akana ikolode credit score yakhe phezulu angakhona ukuthola iloni engaka. That's why lesasikhathatha ufunceda ngemali amiyeka astruggle ishabe stress ukuthi no my husband my boyfriend ubatachelete usisa hamba yona ayifuna leyo mali because iskema seranayo angaphusheli to which when hambo ithatha akutsheli wena yourself you will decide which you know what let me help this guy and then ahamele to amuhele to like that and uzonginikeza everything that you need ngaleso sikhathi because ukuthi yena lapho investment wa investor ufa 2,000 3,000 ufa kulu ufa everything that you need as ukuthi yena in return uyothola imali eningi from him vele into bayenzayo. Unfortunately usisi aka-admit esibhedlela u-admitwe for anxiety and depression kwathola ukuthi hayi usisi akukhonakali akasakhona ukusebenza incapacitated akasakhona ivele so she needs to go back home so sisi wabela back emuva so wanyamalala kanjalo ke uDesmond wa destroy impilo kaSisi impilo yabantwana bakaSisi even impilo kamama kaSisi because now uSisi impilo yakhe ihlakahlakana because of she fell in love nomuntu wrong nomuntu misleadile so as umuntu wesifazana osebenza uyikhemithi ngene ethandweni but ngene uvula amehlo ibhlungu indaba ukuthi uthi ufuna greener pastures kwenye indawo and uwathole kube right ubereke ube promoted bakupromote uphathe iposition ecacile kuze umuntu akuhluthule yonke into isebenzele kanzima yazi kubhlungu sometimes bare ayekho umuntu ongathatha education kuwe akekho umuntu ongathatha qualification how wena but umuntu angayithatha freedom yakho akushiye ubroken ube ngathi uyahlanga ube ngathi ubheminya uphi into yenzekela uSisi ufundile una everything she's wise bekane position ephezulu but someone wazothatha leyo freedom wayithatha yonke na umntana abantu yakula. I just pray and hope ukuthi abe right ngithi angethi miracle ifike kayirahala bophelo ngoba sisi abe right has pick up and thank you for the friend ukuthi a share le story lesi like a friend umngane right cause now unceda umunye umuntu the next person mangabona le story lesi uzobona ukuthi if ever something like this yenzeka empilweni yakhe right now, because the story senzeka 2023. If umunye umuntu angahlangana nomuntu ompromisa heaven and earth, king a land of milk and honey, if you're watching the story, tlhokomela, especially these guys abatsonkontle, batho ba bana le qualification of scammer, and bayakhona ukuthi badlale ngengqondo yakho. Uvume na uma ngakuthi mara ngivume kanjani. Abantu ba scammer yazi bahlakaniphile guys. Nasi bang scammer KFC nyangizwa story for another day. Bang scammer ngasala ngingabelieve ngithi ngenze kanjani. Hayi not mina. Bang scam imali yami yahamba. Scam sinjalo. Bayakhona ukudlala ngengqondo yakho. Ungazi ukuthi bakutrebulishe bakufuna uhlangana phezulu ukuthi mina yakhona ubone ngemoto engiyazazi bangiskema ngaphatha Hi guys, ngipha bayini